Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road, capture accidents, or even record amazing drives, you're in the right place. In today's video, I've picked the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and value for money. We'll cover pros, cons, and who each one is best for, so make sure to watch till the end to find your perfect match. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. We have the BOTSLAB 4K Front and Rear Dashcam, a powerful and feature-packed option. This dashcam records in 4K front and 2K rear, giving you ultra-clear footage. It features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, Sony Starvis sensor, built-in GPS, and even ADAS, driver assistance alerts. You also get night vision, WDR, and a free 64GB SD card, which is a nice bonus. In real-world use, this camera performs incredibly well. The video clarity is sharp, even at night, thanks to the Starvis sensor. The ADAS feature adds an extra layer of safety, though it may not be perfect in all conditions. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast file transfers to your phone. Pros: excellent 4K plus 2K recording, strong night vision performance, built-in GPS and ADAS, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, free SD card included. Overall, this is a premium all-rounder dashcam, perfect for drivers who want top-tier video quality and smart features. Number 2. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam with 360-degree all-around view. We have something unique, the BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam with a 560-degree all-around view. This dashcam records front, rear, and inside the car, giving you complete coverage. It comes with a 3.18-inch touchscreen, voice control, GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. It also includes a 128GB memory card, which is great value. This is ideal for rideshare drivers or security-focused users. The interior camera is especially useful for monitoring passengers. The touchscreen and voice controls make it very easy to use. Pros: full 360-degree coverage, inside plus outside. Large touchscreen display. Voice control support. Big 128GB storage included. Great for Uber taxi drivers. If you want maximum coverage and security, this is one of the best multi-channel dashcams available. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K. This is the ROVE R2 4K, a very popular and reliable dashcam. It records in UHD 2160p 4K, features a 150-degree wide-angle lens, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi 6 support, which is rare in this price range. This dashcam is known for its simplicity and reliability. The video quality is excellent during the day and decent at night. The Wi-Fi 6 connectivity makes transferring videos super fast. Pros: true 4K video quality, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, easy to install and use, reliable performance. This is perfect if you want a simple, high-quality front dashcam without extra complexity. Number 4. REDTIGER 4K Starvis 2 Dashcam, F7N Touch. We have the F7N Touch, another strong contender. This dashcam features 4K front plus rear recording, a Starvis 2 sensor, voice control, and a 3.18-inch touchscreen. It also includes a 128GB card and supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers. The standout feature here is the Starvis 2 sensor, which provides excellent low-light performance. The touchscreen and voice controls make operation very convenient. Pros: great night vision with Starvis 2, touchscreen plus voice control, fast Wi-Fi downloads, large storage included. a great choice for those who drive a lot at night and want clear footage in low light conditions. Number 5. 4K plus 2K dual dashcam, budget pick. Here we have a budget-friendly 4K plus 2K dual dashcam. This model offers front and rear recording, dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, and night vision, along with a 64GB SD card included. For the price, this dashcam delivers solid performance. While it may not match premium brands, it still provides clear footage and essential features. Pros: affordable price, dual camera setup, built-in GPS, easy to use. If you're on a tight budget, this is a great entry-level option that still covers all the basics. So, that was our list of the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. If you want the best overall, go for the BOTSLAB 4K front and rear. For full coverage, pick the BOTSLAB 4-channel 360. For simplicity, the ROVE R2 4K is a solid choice. All product links are in the description below if you want to check current prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.